Hello, School of Public Health, class of 2025. Wow, what an honor it is to be here with you all today. My name is Taylor Rapson, and I am a Health Services Doctoral graduate and this year's recipient of the Gilbert Omen Award. My research focuses on improving health systems, or improving the quality of care for individuals at Safety Net Health System, which has culminated in a dissertation that evaluates the barriers and facilitators to digital health technology to advance health equity and to reduce disparities in access and health. I am deeply grateful for this award honoring my work. Before addressing today's graduates, I must acknowledge some important people. First and foremost, thank you to our friends and family, those of us who are here with us in this auditorium and those of us who could not be here with us today. Your support, encouragement, and belief in us have carried us through every challenge and moment of doubt. We celebrate this accomplishment with you and because of you. I also sincerely thank our faculty, our mentors, and advisors who have guided us with their knowledge, challenged us to grow, and inspired us to think bigger. Your dedication to our learning and success has left a lasting mark, and we are eternally grateful. Now to our graduates. Congratulations on a well-earned milestone in your career as a public health professional. Looking back on my life until this point, after 23 years of education and 10 years of public health experience, my path to becoming a researcher has not been easy and has been filled with uncertainty, setbacks, and doubt. I am profoundly hard of hearing in both ears, and growing up, I faced skepticism and doubt about my ability to succeed in the hearing world and to achieve academic and professional accomplishments, just as I have been told by numerous advisors throughout my education to aim lower, that my dreams and goals for myself and for the world are beyond my capacity and ability. But here I am today, graduating with my doctorate from a great public health program, and I know I am not alone in my experiences of struggles and setbacks. We have all faced setbacks and doubt, and despite that, we have made it to this point. So as you go forth into your careers, further your education, and live your purpose, I leave you with the life lessons that have guided me in times of uncertainty. First, find your voice and don't dim yourself to be more palatable. When life feels uncertain, it can be easy to want to shift ourselves to fit in with and be more acceptable to those around us. During my undergraduate experience, my advisor straight up told me to choose an easier career because I didn't have what it takes. And I'd be lying if I said I didn't seriously consider it. It's hard when the people who are supposed to believe in you or the opportunities that are supposed to be available to you aren't there. But screw them. Your experiences, your training, your accomplishments, and most importantly, your passions and purpose have made you uniquely and wonderfully equipped to achieve, despite the odds. So don't be afraid to shine. Use your voice, fight for what you believe in, and let those around you experience all you have to offer. Second, it's not how you start, but how you finish. While some of us may be fortunate enough to find success on the fast track, true success is built through a series of small, often everyday decisions, one after the other, that don't just demand a single choice of us, but rather many choices that guide us toward a lifelong commitment to others. After graduating from college, I pursued research jobs, but ended up as an administrative assistant, sitting 2 feet behind my boss with a foldable TV tray as my desk. But that opportunity, while not even remotely close to my interests, taught me focus, time management, and how to manage your manager, which is an important skill, by the way. And in that moment, it didn't feel like progress, but looking back, it brought me closer to my goals and my career today. So if you ever feel like you're behind or that your path isn't measuring up, remember the small decisions, one after another, will bring you where you need to go. Lastly, ground yourself in your identity as a public health professional. The late Dr. Paul Farmer, whose commitment to combating tuberculosis in Haiti and serving the poor had profound public health effects, encouraged us to remember and to hold on to the truth that we first and foremost belong to the people who care for the sick, and at our core, seek to improve the experiences for those who are vulnerable. He once said, "I have fought the long defeat and brought other people on to fight the long defeat, and I'm not going to stop because we keep losing. We want to be on the winning team, but at the risk of turning our backs on the losers, no, it's not worth it. So you fight the long defeat." More than ever, his words ring true as we enter the real world, either for the first time or are returning to it, and are wondering what the future holds amid great public health uncertainty. So that is what we will do, why what you do is important, and what we will remember. So as you leave here today, consider who you are fighting for. Remember you too are fighting the long defeat. Persist and embrace the unknown. Thank you.